Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is current electricity. SLO of these topics are state the function of live, neutral and earth wire in the domestic main power supply. Explain why domestic, that is AC supplies, are connected in parallel circuits. Describe hazards of electricity, that is damage insulation, overheating, dam condition. Explain the use of safety measures in household electricity, for example, fuse, circuit breaker, and earth wire, live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. The electric power enters our house through three wires. Number one, live wire, which has 220 volt, neutral wire, which has approximately 0 volt, and third is earth wire. All three wires enters our house through um, electric power. Live wire. A live wire is connected directly to the generators after it passed through the appliance. It carries 220 volt. Wiring color code is brown or red. Neutral wire. The neutral wire returns the electricity to the generator after it has passed through the appliance. The neutral wire completes the circuit. The neutral wire is at approximately 0 volt. The color of neutral wire is blue or black. Earth wire. The earth wire is usually carries no electricity. The earth wire is there as a safety measure. However, if something in the appliance goes wrong or it is wired incorrectly, then the earth wire may also be carrying the same electricity as the live wire. So don't try to touch the earth wire also. All the wires are dangerous. Color of earth wire is green or yellow. 3-pin plug. You see the diagram of 3-pin plug. The earth wire is green and yellow connected at the top of the 3-pin plug. Neutral wire, it is blue or black in color. It is brown wire, live wire, and fuse is connected with live wire. Always fuse is connected with live wire. It's plastic case or cable. So if someone asks you to identify the 3-pin plug, you can do, or you can label the 3-pin plug. Why domestic supplies connected in parallel? Domestic means household. Connected household circuit is connected in parallel. Why? Different electrical appliances in a domestic circuit are connected in parallel because of the following advantages. If one electrical appliance stops working due to some defect, then all other appliances keep working. This is first reason or first advantage why we connect the electrical wire in parallel. Each electrical appliance has its own switch due to which it can be turned on or turned off independently without affecting other appliances. This is the second advantage. Each electrical appliance gets the same voltage as that of the power supply line. That means if connect the fridge parallel, then fridge also get the full voltage of power supply, that is 220 volt. So these are the some advantages of uh, wire connected in parallel. The in the parallel connection of uh, mm, el- electricity, electrical appliances, the overall resistance of the household circuit is reduced due to which the current from the power supply is high. We know the formula of parallel circuit 1 upon R is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 and so on. You see in this formula, the total resistance or overall resistance is less than the individual resistance. This is the advantage. The output is less than individual resistance. So that is one of the reasons why parallel connect the appliances in parallel, because overall resistance of the household circuit is reduced, due to which the current from the power supply is high. Next is, you see this diagram, circuit diagram of household live wire. Okay, main fuse. Main fuse is always attached with live wire. Electricity meter. The unit of commercial electricity is kilowatt hour. Then main switch. Main switch is subdivided in different connection of various appliances in parallel. One this, second this, and third this. And all these appliances are connected with earth wire. Okay, one wire over here, one wire from here, and one wire of each appliance connected to the earth connection. This is earth wire, a simple household connection of electricity. Hazards of electricity. Hazards. There are three hazards of electricity: damage insulation, overheating, and third is dam condition. Damaged insulation. From the name, you also understand damaged means break or damaged, or insulation means covering, covering of insulator. Insulating materials of the wires become worn with the time and dust. For example, the electrical cable of hair dryer and electric iron usually get bent and twisted because of the way they are used. This might cause the electrical insulation to crack and break, thus exposing the conducting wires inside. The exposed live wire inside can cause several electric shock to the user if it is touched. Because this is one of the hazard of electricity. If it is naked wire, then and we touch it, it is fatal, or it is danger for us. You see the picture of damaged insulation. A wire is exposed from this cracks. Number second is overheating of cables. Plugging too many power cables into a socket can result in the socket being overloaded, overheating, and a fire is starting as an unusually large current flows through the conducting wires. For example, students, a fan motor overheats and melts, fusing the live and neutral wire together. Fusing means stick because of melt. The higher resistance of thinner wire will produce more thermal heat that will damage the insulation and may cause a fire. This is the picture of overheating. In one socket, you see there are so many plugs or cables, one, two, three, four, five, six. So it is overheating. Okay, it heats up the thin wire, and all the wires fused and stick together, and the fire will work. Next is dam condition. Dam condition, wet condition. Many electrical accidents occur in dam conditions. Water or dam conditions allow current flow outside the wires. Keep electrics dry, because water is a good conductor of electricity. So don't touch the electrical appliances or switches with wet hands. It allows a conducting path for a large current to flow. A person could be electrocuted if the wires were exposed or had damaged insulation. Other hazards include turning a switch on with wet hands. You see the diagram. A hair dryer is placed near the damp uh, sink or wash basin. It is dangerous. Second is a person plug in with wet hands. It is also harmful or dangerous. Use of safety measures. For example, fuse, circuit breaker, earth wire. These are the safety measures. For precaution, we are using these fuses, circuit breakers, and earth wire for safety measures for precautions. Fuse, as you already have done fuse, the purpose of fuse. When the current is passing through, it exceeds limit. It gets so hot that it melts or blows the fuse off. Thus, the circuit gets open and the flow of current stops. This is the picture of some fuses operating 3 ampere, 5 ampere, 13 ampere. These rating fuses are easily available in market. So it is used as a safety device. If excess amount of current pass through the circuit, the wire inside it will melt and break the circuit. Second is circuit breaker. It is also a safety device which is used in place of fuse. Nowadays, instead of fuse, we are using circuit breaker. Due to any fault when the current exceeds the safety limit, then the button of the circuit breaker moves downward and circuit breaks and the flow of the current stops in it. It works on the principle of electromagnetism. Circuit breaker works on the principle of electromagnetism. All right, you see this circuit breaker. If current exceeds the safety limit, these switches move down. These three, this switches move down. And if we replace the fault, then these switches move up and then work again. You cannot replace it, just replace the fault and move the this buttons upward. In fuse, you replace the fuse itself, but in circuit breaker, just remove the fault. Earth wire. Earth wire is a low resistance wire. It is usually connected with the metal casing of the appliance. If there is a fault, for example, the live wire is not properly connected and it touches the metal casing of the appliance, the user could get the electric shock. Okay, earthing prevent this happening, right? This is one of the use of earth wire. The large current that flows from the live wire through the metal casing to the earth wire blow the fuse and cut off the supply to the appliance. Okay, so by this method are we can prevent us. This is electric cooker. Three wires are connecting over here. See, live, neutral, and earth. So earth wire prevents us from current. Thank you, boys and girls. I hope you can understand.